Fixed device type unknown on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to fix device type unknown on Instagram. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you simply need to long press on Instagram app icon. Here you will see a pop-up menu. Select I icon in order to access app info page. Select Storage Users and tap on Clear Cache. Tap Clear Data and tap on Delete button. This will delete all the app data including files and setting and it will be permanently deleted from your device. If you do this, your account will be logged out. But if you don't want to do this, you can tap cancel button and do not log out of your Instagram account. But clearing cache will simply reset the app and update to the latest version. Once done, reopen Instagram and try again. This refresh usually fixes the device issues. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to like, share, and comment. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.